Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Fallout 76 error code 3.00562949953421315. The error reads, "Failed to get a token. Try again later." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to sign into Fallout 76 on Xbox. This issue has also been seen affecting PC players using Xbox services. According to our research, the error is part of a known issue currently under investigation. It may also be caused by temporary server issues or connectivity problems. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your console along with the network. Simply shut down your console and unplug it from the power source. Then, turn off your router. Then wait for a few minutes and plug everything back in and restart and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the game. Simply go to your game library and select Fallout 76 and then check for updates. If an update is available, install it and check for the error again. If the error continues, then try connecting your console over a different Wi-Fi network or use a mobile hotspot. Sometimes switching networks can help bypass temporary connection issues. So connect over the other network and check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, it could be due to server issues. In this case, give it some time and try again later. Meanwhile, refer to the official Fallout 76 Discord server or other social media outlets for any announcements or updates. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.